Hi everyone, can you solve this exponential equation? 5 power a times 5 power a is equal to 200. Find the value of a. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 5 power a times 5 power a is equal to 200. Now we know that x times x is equal to power will add up, it's x square, so it will be 5a whole square is equal to 200. Now we also know that x power m whole power n is equal to x power m into n. So we have 5 power a into 2 is 2a is equal to 200. Now take the logarithm on both sides of the equation. Log of 5 power 2a is equal to log of 200. Now we'll use power rule of log on the left hand side. Log of m raised to the power n is equal to n times log of m. So this equation will become 2a times log of 5 is equal to log of 200. We also write this as 2a multiply log of 5 is equal to log of, this can be written as 200 can be written as 5 into 5 into 8, or 2a log of 5 is equal to log of 5 into 5 is 5 square multiply 8. Now divide both sides by this log of 5. Log 5 cancel with log 5. 2a equals log of 5 square multiply 8 over log of 5. We will use a formula of log, use product rule. Log of m multiply n is equal to log of m plus log of n. So the equation will be 2a equals log of 5 square plus log of 8 divided by log of 5. Log of 5 here and log of 5 here. This is 2a equals, it will become 2 times log of 5, power rule, log of 5 plus log of 8 over log of 5. Log 5 cancel log 5. 2a equals 2 plus log 8 by log 5. We will use a formula for this. Log of m by log of n is equal to log of m the base n. So it will be 2a equals 2 plus log of 8 the base 5. Divide both sides of the equation by 2. 2 cancel with 2, 2 cancel with 2. We get the final value of a, which is 1 plus log of 8 the base 5 over 2. This is the final value of a. Let's check this value of a by putting this value back in. Given equation, we have 5 power a times 5 power a equals 200. This will be 5 power 1 plus log of 8 with the base 5 over 2 times 5 power 1 log of 8 the base 5 over 2 is equal to 200, or we can write this as 5 power 1 times 5 power log of 8 with the base 5 over 2, 5 power 1 times 5 power log of 8 with the base 5 over 2 is equal to 200. We know that a power log of b with the base a always equals to b. So here we have 5 power 1 times 5 power log of 8 with the base 5 times 1 over 2 multiply 5 multiply 5 to the power log of 8 with the base 5 times 1 over 2, 200. This is 5. This whole will be equal to 4 power 1 by 2. This is 5 and this whole will be equal to 8. 8 power 1 by 2. And this is 8 power 1 by 2. It's 200. This is 5 times 8 power 1 by 2 is. This is square root 8 times square root 8 is 8. This is 5. 8 into 25 is 200 equals 200. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So the final value of a is 1 plus log of 8 with the base 5 over 2. This is the final answer.